abdomen, you do want your patient flat. You know, more comfortable would be better than this table here in the classroom, but thank you. And so you want to first observe the abdomen. You're just going to inspect, you're going to look from an angle, and then you're going to say what you see. Is it flat or rounded, protruberant, scaphoid? His abdomen's nice and flat. I don't see any masses or anything like that. And then you're also going to go ahead and listen in all the bowel sounds. And so you'll need your stethoscope. You can work in a systematic manner. You gotta, here's his umbilicus. And so I'm gonna start in the right lower quadrant and just listen several times and wait to hear a bowel sound. You should hear one every 5 to 15 seconds or so, or 5 to 30 in a minute. But just as soon as you hear 1 or 2, then you can just go ahead and move to the next quadrant. There's 4 quadrants, and you're gonna listen in all 4 quadrants, different areas, okay? Then you also wanna listen for an aortic bruit. You'll flip it over to the bell of your stethoscope, up in his epigastric area. Is that right? It's hard to tell with this shirt on. But up towards the epigastric area, a little bit to the left, you're going to listen for a bruit, which you should not hear. That would be a whooshing sound, and that will be a sign of an abnormality. You also have to percuss. I'm just going to take this off. So in the same sequence that you did your auscultation in all 4 quadrants, you're gonna just percuss. Again, this is a more advanced skill where you would learn what you're supposed to be hearing in each quadrant, but if you just show me the technique and that you would do it in each quadrant in a systematic way, then that's enough. And then as you grow as a nurse, you'll learn to hear tympany or flat or dullness, resonance. Those are the different things you'd be listening for over the different parts of the body. Then you also have to palpate, okay? So but make sure that you auscultate first, remember? So you inspect, then you auscultate before you do your percussion or palpation, because the auscultation could change some of the sounds. So you're gonna palpate the same, just light palpation in all 4 quadrants as well. You're looking at the patient's response to see if there's any grimacing or guarding, and you'd want to note that. So I think we did everything.